Hi, guys. Welcome back to Exotic Eyes. What happens if snake venom is mixed with blood? Coagulation and clotting. Some snake venoms contain enzymes and proteins that can disrupt the normal clotting process of blood. These substances may activate or inhibit clotting factors, leading to abnormal coagulation. This can result in the formation of clots or the prevention of clot formation, depending on the specific venom composition. Hemolysis. Certain snake venoms have the ability to cause the breakdown of red blood cells, a process known as hemolysis. Why do snakes yawn? Snakes don't actually yawn in the same way humans or some other animals do. When snakes open their mouths wide, it may appear similar to yawning, but it serves a different purpose. One reason snakes open their mouths wide is to adjust their jaws before or after feeding. Snakes have a unique jaw structure that allows them to consume prey much larger than their own head. When they eat, their lower jaw separates and stretches to accommodate the prey. After feeding, the snake may open its mouth wide to realign its jaws and reposition them properly. Another reason snakes might open their mouths is to regulate their body temperature. Why do snakes eat themselves? Snakes eating themselves is a rare behavior known as autophagy or self-cannibalism. While it is not a common occurrence, it has been observed in certain situations, especially among captive snakes. There are several possible explanations for this behavior. Mistaken identity. In some cases, a snake may mistake its own tail for prey. Snakes rely on their heat-sensing pits and visual cues to locate and capture prey. If the snake's tail moves in a way that triggers its predatory instincts, it may strike and attempt to consume its own tail, mistaking it for food. Stress or hunger. Captive snakes, particularly those kept in suboptimal conditions or with inadequate food sources, may exhibit abnormal behaviors due to stress or hunger. Self-cannibalism can be a manifestation of these stressors. It may be an expression of frustration or a result of the snake attempting to alleviate hunger or seek stimulation. Neurological or health issues. Certain neurological or health conditions can lead to abnormal behaviors in snakes, including self-cannibalism. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Exotic Eyes.